प्रोग्रेसिव मार्च मंथ एक्सरसाइज 15 का बैक निकल गया। शुरू कर रहे हैं। I heard my friend talking about the consumer's price index. There is no doubt that there is rise in the consumer's price index and the consumer faces the real punch, but the increase has not been as alarming as we think, particularly if we look at the recent drought and the risk of likely increase in price which did not take place now. So far as the consumer's price index is concerned, it is closely related to the liquidity in the economy. It is true that the liquidity is growing because disposable income has been growing because of different kinds of payments that we have committed, whether it is the fifth pay commission and the cascading effect of that in the rest of the economy, or the other salary settlements, dearness allowances and all that. This leads to demand inflation, but on supply side, if our buffer stock position is right and releases are timely and adequate, all the operations both on the supply side and on the demand side of the buffer stock are efficient, that we should have no fears. It seems to me the very fact that the price index has not been rising at a very rapid pace shows that the supply management, so far as the essential commodities are concerned, has been somewhat efficient, and this has given us a relatively better balance with demand. Paragraph change. Now, so far as the wholesale price index is concerned, it is very encouraging. As a matter of fact, there was a slight pressure, but if you take the latest figures, there has been a declaration there. What is particularly encouraging is that in the agricultural product group, the rate of increase in the wholesale price index has been much less compared to the non-agricultural commodities group. However, the fact remains that the resource position of the government is under strain. When we talk of resource position, we talk of three components. Number one, what is the rate of the domestic savings? Particularly, the net figures have been under serious stress. Fortunately, the household sector performance has been good, but the performance at the corporate sector level, and particularly the saving in the public sector of the corporate sector, has been discouraging, and much more discouraging has been the rate of the savings in the government sector. So this is one area where substantial correction is required in order to generate adequate resource for investment. The second component is related to revenue. Now, if you take the total revenue picture, the direct taxes constitute 14% and indirect taxes constitute 85%, which are increasing every year.